Hey guys, welcome back to Hike Oregon. In today's video, I'm going to show you what's in my backpacking cook and water filtration setup. If you are new here, welcome. I make hiking and backpacking vlogs as well as gear reviews and general tips and tricks videos to help you become a more confident hiker and backpacker. If you've been with me for a few years now, you will see that my setup for cooking, eating, and water filtration has not changed whatsoever. I've been using this GSI Pinnacle Soloist pot for almost 6 years now, and it's still holding strong. I absolutely love it. Of course, you need fuel. I like the small containers. I get so many water boils out of the small containers. And then I have my very ancient MSR Pocket Rocket. This guy is over 20 years old, still holding strong, still works well. Can't really justify buying a new one. Lighter, I'm actually gonna get the mini Bic. There's no need for the giant one. And then I have my Sea to Summit collapsible cup. This is the 16-ounce one. This is my second one. I did puncture the first one that I got, but this one's been holding up well. And then I have my long-handled titanium spork. I got it off Amazon last year. I had a Sea to Summit one, but it was very rough and it really hurt my mouth, so I got a new one. I do like keeping it in this little pouch that it comes in just so it doesn't poke anything in my backpack. I have a little tiny piece of sponge just in case I do get the pot dirty by making oatmeal or something. I don't know. I generally don't like to cook in the pot, but if I have to, I have a sponge. I also have a little pack towel to dry out the cook pot as well as the Sea to Summit cup when I rinse them out. And then for water filtration, I have my Knock Vecto bag. This is the 3-liter Knock Vecto bag. I am lazy. I hate leaving camp to go grab water. By filling up the 3-liter one, I have enough in the evening to cook dinner, to drink, even in the morning to cook breakfast and coffee, and I don't have to go to the creek or the lake a million times to grab water. So that's why I have the 3-liter one. It's probably overkill, but I am lazy. And then the Sawyer squeeze just goes onto this, and then you squeeze the bag into a smart water bottle. I do have the smart water bottles that I drink out of when I'm backpacking. So that is my setup. It's super easy, it is super lightweight, and it has not changed for years. Thank you so much for watching this quick video. If you have any questions, just comment them down below. Feel free to check me out over on Instagram. That's where I post pictures of all of my recent hiking and backpacking adventures. And if you want to hike and backpack here in this amazing state of Oregon, check out my website, hikeoregon.net, and you'll find tons of info there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next adventure.